Okay, example 2. In the following diagram, using AC is equal to 13, AB is 12, and BC is 5. How does the sine of angle A compare to the cosine of C? So this one is asking me to do two things. This is asking to set up two fractions. They're first asking for the sine of A and then asking for the cosine of C, and then they want us to compare those two fractions. So I'm going to start with the sine of A. So they want me to be using angle A, which is this angle up here. So I know that, let's go blue. My sine of A is equal to, and again, going back to that acronym, so is opposite over adjacent. Nope, I said that wrong. That's why we use those acronyms. O and H is opposite over hypotenuse. And I know that cosine of C is going to be equal to cosine is so ca, A over H. So adjacent over hypotenuse. Okay, so I got those set up. Now I just got to label some sides. So across from my right angle is always my hypotenuse. And if I'm using angle A, oh no. If I'm using angle A, hold on a sec, we gotta plug our computer in. Okay, there we go. Sorry about that. So if we're using angle A, opposite of angle A would be that side BC, and then adjacent to it would be that 12 that's left. So the sine of A, of angle A, is equal to the opposite side, which is 5, divided by the hypotenuse, which is 13. Yeah, no, go ho. So our sine fraction is opposite, which is 5, over the hypotenuse, which is 13. Now, for cosine, it's going to be very, very similar, but a little bit different, because this time, instead of using angle A, we're using angle C, so that changes things. So now I'm no longer using angle A, and if I'm talking about angle C here, the side opposite from angle C is that 12, and the side adjacent to it would be that 5. Notice how those switched depending on which angle I'm using. So the cosine of C is adjacent, which for cosine, for angle C, adjacent was the 5, and the hypotenuse stayed the same, which was the 13. So how do those two fractions compare? Well, they're equal. 5 over 13 is equal to 5 over 13. So we just need to write an answer sentence. Not that I left myself any room for that, but the cos of angle C is equal to the sine of angle A.